Chris, I want to ask you about this file format in general. You're a technology guy. Technology changes rapidly, or that's what we believe as it relates to high tech. This was a significant change for these iris reports. Talk about what the file format was and what it became.
Yeah, absolutely. So, you said tech changes rapidly, and that's true in most cases, but probably not so much when it comes to federal government type reporting. And so that's what we've seen here is for a very long time, the accepted file format for all of this data was something called DBF, which is just a very simple way of saying like database file. That's a file type that over the years is not really in use anymore in many places. If you try to open that file on your average Windows computer, it's going to go, I don't know what that is. These things don't get updated all the time. And over the last several years, I believe we got involved around 2016 or so. They've been working on a change to update that file type from DBF to XML, which is a much more modern and accepted method of basically exchanging information, oftentimes over the internet. So that's the major change. I believe there were a total about 4 new fields that were added, but the 2 that come to mind for that are displaced resident. So if you accept a resident into your training program that was displaced for one reason or another, there's a little marker you want to check that says, yes, this is a displaced resident. And that will have an effect on your final calculations, as well as there's a new field that identifies, hey, this is a new program that we've launched. And so calculations differ slightly based on that setting. So like I said, if you want to submit the most accurate report, you should be utilizing the new XML format because those fields are non-existent on the previous DBF files. This was all coming from a project that CMS undertook to kind of update this whole process.
What would you suggest if people want to learn more about how Medtrics can help with iris reporting?
The best way to get in touch with us is through our website. That's www.metricslab.com, where you can request a consultation. And effectively, we'll go through that process with you quickly and see, does the relationship with Medtrics make sense? And otherwise, you'll find us at various industry conferences like the ACGME conference, as well as individual conferences for various medical specialties.
Outstanding. Thanks a lot, Chris. We appreciate it.
Thank you.